Actually kind of feel weird wearing a helmet around here. Once we got out of Maryland, we have only seen maybe 10 people on motorcycles with helmets. Alright, we're making it out today. We are in Ontonagon, Michigan. I guess not on, but in. But yeah, so here is one of the main lakes, and right across it is Canada. Unfortunately, my son and I don't have our up-to-date passports. My wife's may be expired by now, but decided to just head as far north as possible, and considering only water separating us from Canada, I'd say that it's pretty spot on. One, I just feel like I'm sitting on the ground now after driving the bus for the last 2 weeks. Finally got to pull the motorcycle out because, yeah, haven't had this on the ground since I put it in when we left 2 weeks ago. But don't know how much more riding I want to get until we go and stay with my wife's sister. Realistically, like, this is our first trip out, and just super excited to just spend time and explore places that we've never even been to before. Don't know exactly where I'm going other than just follow this road all the way down. Luckily, got the bus fixed and it's running well now. It definitely rattles a whole bunch, but it's a school bus, so I feel like that's just something that you kind of expect. We are going to run around town. I know one spot that I want to go to, don't know any others, but we are going to make it. I can't get over the fact that I feel like I'm sitting on the ground. So roads around here too are not the best. Michigan's actually not necessarily that horrible upon other states. I think Iowa is a state that has had the worst roads so far. At least what we decide are the worst roads so far. Bridges. Let's see how clean I can keep the bike and how many of these holes I cannot hit. My family and I went to a few national forests in the last couple days. Plan on hitting a couple more. But it is so beautiful up here. Let's see if this gate's open today. It is. It's over here. I don't know where to go. Well, that's sketchy. Played my luck on sand for today, plus don't really like getting sand on anything, so I'm gonna make my way back down here. Get a picture to that sweet lighthouse. How many times can I turn the bike off in a matter of 3 minutes? Sweet old ship right there. Stayed at a campsite over here last night and walked by that. I kind of wonder if anyone's living in there, because it's high enough to have 2 stories, it's double the width of the bus, and it is longer than the bus. So much abandoned stuff up here too, or like ran down towns. So that is a goal in my life, to literally just have a lot with a trailer, shed slash garage, and literally live on the water looking at Canada. I need to actually pay attention where I'm going, but it's difficult because it's just so pretty. My OCD is going off the charts right now for having sand get up on my chain, but when you're literally 100 feet maybe from the beach, it's gonna happen, but definitely need to brush it off. Actually, this is our campsite. There she is. So yeah, got back here actually a little bit quicker than I thought. Great time out on the bike. Gonna put it back in the school bus and go find the family. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, or know of any places that I didn't find, leave them down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.